Alright y'all, up here in the ceiling, coming at you live in action at 10 at night, new record, 16-hour day. Just working up here on this little teeny beeny lift, just enough to stand on. First time using these lift, and these are for shades, which I assume are for curtains or something, for these windows or whatever, so I'm just getting this ready for them when they come in. And there's another one over here in this corner. That's going to be interesting, so I didn't get to that one tonight, luckily, so see how that works in the morning, and I'll go show you the other stuff I worked on today once I get down from here. Not too much, but I'll go show you that. Alright, so the other thing that we worked on today was a bunch of these lights. It'll take a really long time. I did go around and mount the, I forgot what it's called, aircraft cable. So I went around and pushed that little lift around, which you have to push, it's like 800 pounds. And went around, pushed the lift around, and then went up to each spot and then screwed on the little aircraft cable. And then some other guys assembled these lights, and then like 5 of us carried it over, and then we had like 5 ladders, and then just lifted it up, stuck it in the aircraft cable, got it 10 feet off the ground and all that good stuff. So there's 4 in each room. This one isn't really working, so hopefully it's just not on. Otherwise I have to go back and fix that. And then there's another room over here that we worked on, same thing. That's cool. So I don't know if these ones are gonna turn on or not, but there's another 4 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's kind of on, so I'm not sure what that's about, but anyways. And then some more shades up here. I did that one and that one over there. And at the beginning of the day, I went around and did some plugs. So I'll try to go show you that. So this is, I don't know if I told you, it's a school, and there's just everything looks exposed, and I got my tools on me, so excuse the rattling and all that good stuff. The main thing that rattles is the hammer, so I usually just take that out and then just stick it here in my pocket so it doesn't rattle so much. But I worked on a whole bunch of plugs throughout the building, just going through and doing rooms that were not finished. So I don't know if this is going to turn on or not, but probably not. But there's plugs all throughout here. As you can see, I'm reflecting one over there, there, up there. So went around and did a bunch of plugs. I think that's really just it, all I worked on today. Oh, look at that, that's cool. So lights, plugs, and I can't even think right now, those little shade whips. I think that's all I did, 16 hours. I need to go home and sleep, but I wanted to bring you this video, so anyways, that should do it. See if we got anything cool down here. Some dude down there. Anyways, 3-story school. So yeah, they got a really cool ceiling going on over here. I'm gonna go drop my tools off. But downstairs they have a really awesome pipe rack. Actually, I think it's on the other side, I'm not sure. Actually, I think it's on the 2nd floor, but it's a really sweet pipe rack, and they got this sweet ceiling going in over here. So it's a pretty cool job, but I think it's just wrapping up, which is unfortunate. Some people have been here like 7 to 9 months, I think. So they must be rolling in the cash. But anyways, that should do it, guys. I'm gonna go drop my tools off, go home, sleep for a few hours, come back. And there's a Christmas party tomorrow, which will be sweet. So shorter hours, but unfortunately less overtime. So I guess it is what it is, but I made a good run for it, so good time. So I think, what was that? I did 15. I feel like I did 15 hours, 14 hours, and 16 hours, but I'll double check that. So Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Thanks for the support. If you did enjoy the video, I'd highly appreciate it if you drop a like and subscribe. Just to let me know that you care as I make these videos for you guys. Make sure to check out the description for social medias. That should do it, guys. Thanks so much. See you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Alright, guys, I was trying to do one take, but this looks so dang nice. I gotta show you this. Got these bridge lights here. Got this little bridge right here. And you got these little walkway lights. It looks pretty dang sweet. So I just wanted to showcase some of my coworkers' hard work that they've been working out here in the pouring rain. So shout out to them. This looks awesome. Dang, let's go.